Hello traders, Des here with Grok Trade, and it's Wednesday, June 22nd, 2011 in the markets. Take one on the chin to end out the day. We did have the Federal Reserve downgrading the U.S. economic outlook. They're saying that expect more job losses and a much weaker economic growth rounding out 2011, but Mr. Ben Bernanke himself says, well, but I do expect to pick up in 2012. Well, with that news, the market started off bullish today, but end 80 points down on the Dow. Down 0.66%. We have S&P down 0.65%, about the same here on the Nasdaq. Russell's down 0.8%. Banks down significantly, down 1.23%, double what the broad markets are down. Interesting. You would think that the VIX would have been in positive territory, but instead it's still starting to settle down, 1.64%. Slight bump here in gold and silver. US dollar up 0.38%, weighing on the broad markets as a whole. So let's take a look at the technicals. As far as technicals are concerned, I was sharing yesterday that you had this big drop. We have a pop. We're down so many days, up so many days here, going up on weaker volume. And we're running right into the declining 20-day moving average. And it just wouldn't surprise me if we couldn't get over 1300, because that was our 50% Fibonacci retracement level. And we get up there near it and just couldn't keep it up there. And now it's since dropped. Now, at this moment, we have a tweezer top. And we also, I can't call it a dark cloud cover, but I could call it safely a thrusting pattern. And with that said, if we make a new low going into tomorrow, gang, that could be a chance for the bears to come in and to see a drop take place. If that drop happens, it could be a big one and fast. I mean, this thing could get slippery and quick. But we have a lot of support coming with the 200-day moving average, a huge trend line. A lot of support. So, but that's what I'm looking at right now. You want to tighten up stop losses on your longs just in case we do start to pull back again. And if you wanted to take advantage of maybe some downward plays on the short side, feel free to do so if we can. Make a lower low tomorrow and sustain that lower low. So anyway, the very best to you out there in this market. Keep a close eye on things, as things never cease to amaze me. And furthermore, nothing boring about this market. A lot of activity, but soon as we get a break either outside this huge symmetrical triangle or below, game on. Take care and safe trading, and do me a favor. Click the little like button below. It will only take you a second.